Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to type the exact multiplication sign in Microsoft Word using a few fast and easy options. Let's start with the equation shortcut. This is the fastest way if you are already typing. Go to the Insert tab, click on Equation, and select Insert New Equation. Now type a backslash followed by the word times. Hit the spacebar, and the true multiplication sign will appear instantly. Next, we have the equation toolbar. If you prefer clicking, go back to the Insert tab, click Equation, and choose Insert New Equation. Look at the top menu ribbon. In the Symbols gallery, locate the multiplication sign and click it to drop it into your document. Alternatively, you can use the Symbol menu. Go to the Insert tab and click on Symbol on the far right. Then select More Symbols. In the window that opens, set the subset dropdown to Latin 1 supplement. Scroll down slightly, click the multiplication sign, and hit Insert. As a bonus tip, if you have a numeric keypad, simply hold down the Alt key and type 0, 2, 1, 5. Release the Alt key and the symbol appears. That is it. Fast, clean, and professional. Subscribe to ClearTask for more direct software solutions.